this video is for teachers and students, and there is a way for you to get a free license. Let me show you. So if you head over to Google and you just type in Tableau for Students and click on this link, you'll get to this page and you can click this button right here. You can fill out these details, and basically you're trying to show Tableau that you are in fact an official student of an official institution. From there, if you fill this out, you should be able to get a license. If you are a teacher, you can type in Tableau for Teaching, click on this link right here. It's teaching and as well as researchers. And if you click on Request Individual License, you can fill out these details similar to the student one. And again, you're just trying to prove who you are and where you're from. And if you read this first part, provide the following information to unlock your free 1-year license to activate Tableau Desktop. That is the visualization software. And then Tableau Prep, which is the data cleansing software for teaching and non-commercial academic research. I was doing academic research. At one point, I was doing my PhD. And you need to clean a lot of data. I was doing mine in aerospace engineering and composites. It's a long story. I don't want to get into it, but you will need to clean a lot of data. So fill that out. The links to these will be in the description. So follow that and you should be able to get your license. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn the entire Tableau platform, consider enrolling into my course. It's one of the highest ranking courses on Udemy, and enrolling today, you'll be joining the almost 200,000 students that have enjoyed my courses over the years. Thanks again for watching and hope to see you in the course.